At Flaming River, we provide a variety of quality steering columns that would make a great addition to your vehicle. Our columns come in a variety of styles. We have floor shift or column shift, keyed or non-keyed, all available in black powder coat, polished stainless, or paintable mill finish. And be sure to check out our micro steer columns with the electric power assisted steering built right into the column. For rides that need a complete steering system upgrade, Flaming River provides the most complete rack and pinion cradle kits on the market. Within these kits, we provide everything you need for a smooth and easy installation. Cradles available for Mustang, Nova, Tri-5 Chevy, Camaro, Chevelle, and more. Visit us at flamingriver.com for more details.